fold it back on itself, lay it over the opposite side, and hold this loop about a thumb pad up. And then take the tail of the folded back piece. Now when you're holding it like this, sometimes you can't tell which is folded back. It has to be the folded back piece here. Wrap it around everything. Get your thumb out of the way and wrap back towards the front of the loop. And then you put the tail through the loop. And then I hold the tail and push and pull at the same time kind of thing, just so I don't end up with a whole bunch of this stuff hanging out. Turn it around. And do the same thing on the other side. Fold it back on itself. Tail. Around. Thumb out of the way. Back towards the front of the loop. Through the loop. And pull and push at the same time. Ta-da!